Julius is 19.
Jewel is in 19.
Julius is,
We need
you
to get our
did you
bags.
leave your luggage? We'll get your bag.
Okay, now we're in the right terminal. So we just made it through security, and now we're heading to the Suite and Pinnacle check-in area. And we are staying in a Judy Suite for this cruise, so you can use the Suite check-in area.
That lady, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Really had me worried. I thought you were gonna be like, man, you can't. It's fine.
Good. Just waiting on the other. Okay, there we go.
I got it.
We're supposed to, she sent us over to check in.
Oh, I'm thinking I'm dealing with her. Okay, what's your room number? Sorry about that.
It's 1576.
1576.
Yes.
Okay. I have Natasha and Christopher.
Yes.
Okay, so let me get your passports, please. Thank you. Okay, put your passport away for last Sunday. Okay, your room should be ready between 1 and 1:30. Your keys will be at your door. And don't forget about your muster, okay?
Yep.
All right, excellent.
Okay, let me just retake your picture really quick for Natasha. You're all set. Head straight down aboard the ship,
All right,
okay?
thank you so much, Bianca.
And we're all checked in.
There was like a separate to Suites and Pinnacles.
Oh, is there?
Over there by.
Hi.
Your sweets?
Yes.
Oh, this is your room. May I see that, please? Yeah, bathroom right here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. I'm just going to record the little Suite Lounge pre-boarding area. So here you have the suite area. Where they have some snacks. I'm going to grab a cookie because I'm starving. Get some water, some coffees and stuff like that. But we're going to go head straight onto the ship. Oh.
I have here Matthew, Natasha, and I have here Christopher. Now your beard.
Thank you.
And
You
you
too.
do something wonderful.
I like the mustache too. No, thank you.
feel like I'm going to prison.
It does feel like we're getting walked down the for our final
Right?
before we get electrocuted.
This is our last meal.
Could be worse.
You guys enjoy.
Thank you. A little steep. So, little detour, but we made it.
Yeah, this is a different, this is a different, I think it went down the last time you
Morning. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. Pretty good.
In the schooner bar, Chops here.
Schooner bar? Okay. Thank you. Hello. First time on Jewel of the Sea. And we need to do our muster station, which is, they told us, on deck 6 near the schooner bar. So we're gonna walk through the shops here and head on up there. And we got some pumpkins, a spider, all set up for Halloween. And we'll walk on over, see if we can get a better look downstairs. Hello. Thank you.
Just around the corner. Mimosa and wine. And we dinner this time. That's what we're looking for. The spot is only for today. You gotta pay $9. I know. There's also a free. Mom, you could find this really bad.
So,
You win one. You don't just take it. You sign it.
Chops Grille.
Enter to win
A 6?
You're also going to only get it for today. It's at 4 o'clock.
Where are you going? Which direction are you going?
I don't know. Deck 5, Coral Pier.
That's schooner. You really gotta love the size of the schooner bar.
G12?
I think it's Radiance class ships, such as Jewel. So much space. This is where they're gonna hold most of the trivia and piano playing at the later in the night. So let's check into our muster station.
Good morning. Got your boarding pass?
Yes, perfect.
D12. Have you cruised with us before?
Quite
A lot.
Awesome! Yay! Perfect! So y'all's emergency station will be Chops. It's just on the other side of this bar over here.
Okay.
That's that 7 short, 1 long blast, and you'll hear that as we're leaving the port, but that's just protocol, so y'all don't have to come running or anything.
Yep.
Your rooms will open up around 1 o'clock, and that'll have your room key on the door, and then there's a life jacket in there, so just in case there's an emergency and you're in your cabin, just bring those life jackets with you.
Okay.
Other than that, if it's a medical emergency, you can just dial 911, or if you need any sort of medicine or seasickness pills, you can dial 8955, and you'll see that number posted up in your cabin and around the ship. Other than that, the Windjammer just opened up, so if y'all are hungry, you can head up to deck 11, or you're more than welcome to walk around and explore.
We have Chops at
Chops.
12:30.
Awesome, perfect.
Yeah, I would chill.
Yay!
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, let me know if y'all need anything.
All right, so we're gonna hang out for a few minutes and wait for our reservation at Chops Grille. Be back in a second. Hi. 1576.
Yes.
76. You have reservation for
Yes.
Just 2 of you?
Yes. Might not be up yet. Thank you. So went with the usual shrimp cocktail. Got myself the Chops burger. Do I need to? And Tasha got the chicken Caesar salad. And we both got the hot chocolate cake for dessert. So here we are, Jewel of the Seas. Sorry. So here we are, Jewel of the Seas, day 1. Sea Spooktacular. And it looks like we're going to have a Halloween Monster Bash balloon drop at 10:30 in the center. That's going to be cool. And there's plenty of other stuff, including a costume parade, and they will have a costume contest, and they're also having a costume contest in the casino, so we're going to check what that is. We're going to try to show you everything that's going on in the special Halloween boarding day video. So first thing we did was check out the spooky family-friendly movie visual trivia, which they showed different clips of family-friendly movies, Halloween movies. And we didn't do great because there was a bunch of kids movies that we didn't know. And then in Schooner Bar they were doing spooky music trivia, which wasn't that spooky, which is, you know, Thriller and those type of songs. And now we headed upstairs for the sail away party. And I can't play the music for you, but I'm gonna let you guys watch a little bit and guess which song that they were playing and dancing to. Maybe the fans will give it away. And finally, it's time to pull away and let's start cruising. And let's say goodbye to Fort Lauderdale. And as the sun sets, it's time for dinner, which we had in Nezumi. Have a little sushi. Well, we didn't have sushi. what we did have was some firecracker shrimp. And followed that up with some shrimp udon. And then had teriyaki, beef teriyaki. And throughout the night they had numerous Halloween themed activities going on, such as this family dance party. Or dancing in the Centrum, but this was all leading up to the big Halloween costume parade. And here we'll show you a little bit of that. And then after that was the big balloon drop. So let's check that out. And that was our full boarding day Halloween edition here on Royal Caribbean's Jewel of the Seas. We hope you enjoyed the video, and let us know down in the comments if you have taken a Halloween cruise or if this video makes you want to do one now. We really enjoyed it. We want to do it again. Please drop us a like, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.